stay in the circle. Let's stay in the circle. One champions, let's get the circle going. Shuka.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Manyanga.
Oya.
Baka wapi?
Makaka.
Ongeza roiko. Chikiba. Nani alisema paseto?
Maybe almost 1,000 of people coming to ask for food, and most of these people, they have journeyed far. Old people coming like 5 kilometers, just to come and have a meal. And it is so saddening to see that in a county like this, which is full of resources, I know the government always allocate fund and all that. And my plea is just maybe the county government or maybe to the government itself. I know we have a lot of forums, initiative of maybe medical covers and all that. But the question I ask myself is, if you give someone medication and this person has no food, it is killing that person. So in as much as we are taking care of our health, aspect, let us care on how our children, they will find food. This is so, we had budgeted for 500 people, but we didn't know that we are going to get double of this food, of these people, and all of them, they are coming for one thing, food. We ask government, if you can come up with the initiative of a food program. There is one thing which has really been giving me a lot of trouble, because even in the love basket, I introduced basket to the school, whereby I take the basket to the school. I've taken several of this basket in this school of Muranga, and every month I make sure I give food, and this food is not for the entire school. It's to serve the pupils who come to school hungry, so that they can take the food hamper back to their parent. We went to a school, and the teacher told me that we don't even need for you to paint the school or anything. If you can help us to be getting food for the few kids, our young girls from grade 6, they are selling themselves so that they can get 100 to buy unga to take to their parent. Our children, they have been subjected to prostitution because of food. They are going to sleep, young girls, 13 years, 12 years old girls, going to the street of Keno to sell themselves for 150 so that they can buy unga and take it to their parent. That is very saddening and sickening. Where we are with this government, we have resources, we have capacity and ability to drive food. If there's something that you're not supposed to be lacking, is food, for heaven's sake. So part of the things that we run in the love basket, we have that basket to the school. Then we have this one for feeding the elderly, and then now the one for Comrade Initiative, which we are working with other mentors who are coming to volunteer to mentor people. And then with the beauty of the Comrade Comeback, we are identifying these youth. If they have skills, we connect them with the mentors who will come. If someone wants to do agribusiness, they will fund it. So that is the beauty of it. We are not just bringing them to hear their story. We want to work with them, because when you empower one youth, or maybe if you have 5 youth, you have given them 1 acre of land, and then we are looking for them direct market, which has been very successful. We have seen a lot of report. Many youths came here, they were drunkard, they were using drug and substance abuse, but right now they have become contractors. We started a construction company for them. So every now and then they are coming here, we give them jobs for plumbing and all that. So our work is to equip them so that we can send them outside there to create jobs.